So I'll be showing you how to turn off live photos on your iPhone's camera. Now I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions more or less for other iPhones. So in your iPhone's camera app, the live photo icon is in the top right corner. So you can see this icon with a slash. That basically means live photo is turned off. So if it's on, that's what it's gonna look like. And to turn it off, you just tap on it and it says live off, and you should see that slash on the live photo button. Now in case you're not seeing this icon here, then you can tap on this arrow facing up to reveal some icons at the bottom, and then you can use this option right here to choose live off. Okay, so just use that. You can turn it on from here, or you can leave it on auto, or you can turn it off by selecting off from here. But the button up here just turns on or off. Okay, and that's basically how to turn off live photos on your iPhone's camera. Thanks for watching and good luck.